Good afternoon, my name is Tom Brinsonoff. Today we're going to talk about how to test fuel pressure on your vehicle. The downside to this is be able to test the fuel pressure on these newer vehicles, 90, say 92 and up, is real difficult without having a $600–700 master fuel injection pressure tester kit, which most of us don't have readily handleable. Best thing I can say, if you believe you have a fuel pressure problem, I would suggest taking it to the garage and let them test it. By the time you get done buying all the equipment to do it, it's just as easy as spending $40 at the garage and have somebody check it out for you. But I'll explain to you on this '04 Jeep how they do it. They would take this line right here, here's your fuel line coming in. They remove this clip right here. There's a special tool that goes up inside here and releases that fuel line. They take that fuel line off, and your gauge would go in between here, your fuel line, and this fuel rail. They put it all back together. Your gauge would hang up here. They turn your key on. The fuel pump would send the fuel up through here, up through the gauge, bring it up to probably about 42 psi, which is about where these fuel-injected motors sit. And you'd be able to see. You can start it up, run it, watch it, make sure it's up where it needs to be or it's not dropping off. But that's how they use it. I would recommend, if you do consider having a fuel pressure problem, is taking them to a local shop and let them look at it for you. But if you're a die-hard mechanic, they got the tools out there if you feel like spending the money for it, but that's how they would do it. I wouldn't recommend trying to do it at home unless you have the equipment.